Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deactivate or disable a trigger in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need just to go to setup, and from there we can check our triggers and we can disable them. So now let's just go to the setup from the setup menu and let's search for uh, triggers or the apex trigger. So as we can find here, there is the apex trigger and there are these triggers. What we are interested in are the apex triggers. So from here, we will find our trigger, and as you can see, we already have these triggers, and simply you can click on this trigger and we can find their code, and as you can see, now you can start deleting the code if you would like. So I'm just going to click on OK, and now we have our trigger that has been deleted if you would like. Otherwise, you can just simply edit the trigger and simply see if it is activated, and you can find the version settings, and also you can find here in the trigger page or the code is active. If you want to simply deactivate it, you will need just to uncheck this one, and you will need just to click on save. So as you can see, if you want to delete your trigger, you will need just to click on delete. And if you want to inactivate it or deactivate it, you will need just to check or uncheck this checkbox. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.